Here, we're going to introduce you to the newer features and improvements in version 6.0 of the PxM platform. It's fundamentally based on privileged access management and privileged task automation, and of course, session recording. It separates people from passwords and delegates tasks without the need for granting users privileges. We're now in the Azure Marketplace, and we're running on AWS. Here's our product manager Tom with the updates.
Assyrium could be considered as a credential-injecting proxy and remote task manager. It accepts connections from properly identified users and then allows profile-controlled access to role-based accounts and privileged tasks. With version 6, we're going to deliver in 64-bit only, and we've added more functionality, including some good usability enhancements. Let's get started with session termination. In a production environment, situations may arise that require you to forcibly close a user's connection to a device, whether it be a security concern or for general housekeeping. We've implemented a session termination feature that will allow a superadmin to deal with both of these situations efficiently. So here's our dodgy third party, and here's the instant solution.
Spectre and Meltdown mitigations had performance impacts on all underlying operating systems. To help against this, we've improved the performance and the scalability of our proxy, specifically around the handling of many concurrent connections.
Privileged access management is all about granting the right users access to the right targets using the right accounts. Many organisations already have these users, group memberships and computer records defined and organised in Active Directory. In version 6, we focused on making it even easier to integrate the PxM appliance into Active Directory environments. Enrolling Active Directory users into the appliance has become a one-touch operation. All you need to do is create a user group and tell the PxM appliance that this group should mirror the Active Directory group of the same name. Users found in Active Directory will be created automatically on the appliance, and the appliance user group will continually mirror the membership of the Active Directory group. Here, the first step is enrolling users, granting them access to the right devices at the right level of privilege as the next. Putting your Active Directory user groups into profiles like this allows you to define your user access model once in the PxM appliance and continue to use Active Directory for your day-to-day user and group management. Here you can define how often the appliance synchronizes these groups with Active Directory to suit both static and more dynamic environments. By popular demand, version 6 contains our initial release of a dedicated Mac OSX desktop client. It has all the features of the Windows client, including free text and metadata searching along with session recording. There's a pile of usability and productivity enhancements. For example, we've exposed more log files in our UI logs page, and we've implemented a per-connection log viewer into the device access report along with log level filtering. The new file retention policy helps with both GDPR compliance and disk space management.
You might be aware that we've now launched a Pxm Express Edition. This is effectively a free solution for smaller deployments. It covers 25 devices, but it doesn't have session recording or the map server. To help you choose between Full or Express Edition, we've added a Requires Map column to the template library, indicating whether a template requires a map server to deliver all operations. You can also discover all of the out-of-the-box functionality in terms of single sign-on and tasks by checking the Plays Well With section of our website. We use our own products extensively in-house, and we're certainly enjoying the benefits of version 6. If you'd like to try version 6 or even the Express Edition, please do get in touch.